Oh, hello there. Continuing on with the Decades series, today is the 70s, so I did this makeup look based off of Ingrid Boulting, and she is a very beautiful human being, and in the picture that I chose, she has this beautiful blue-green smoky eye, and so that's what I decided I want to try. And I think it's so pretty, it's so effortless. Honestly, anyone can do this. It's very easy. So if you want to see how to get this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, I've already done one eyebrow and primed my eyelid off camera. For the eyebrows, this is based off of Ingrid Boulting. You already know that I said that in the beginning. She literally wore her eyebrows exactly like this, which makes me happy because they're thin, they're poorly drawn in, and they're very sparse, like my eyebrows, so I didn't have to try hard. Yay! Yeah, and also she had them that, like, they looked way more red than her actual eye color, than her actual hair color, so that's what I went for. And yeah, let's get into eyeshadow now. I'm going to take Jada from the Dragon Hill palette, and I'm going to use that as a transition shade. Then I'm going to take the second to last green shade from the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to use that to deepen out the outer part of my eyelid. Now I'm going to take Enchanted from the Dragon Hill Morphe palette, and I'm going to take a flat, fluffy brush and pack it on the outer part of my eyelid into the inner third, like half my eyelid, whatever. I'm bad at explaining things, you'll see. Then I'm just going to take the blending brush that I used to blend that green shade from the 35B palette, and I'm going to blend this out. And I'm going to go in with a little bit more of Jada and lightly blend around all the edges of this so I don't lose that lightness that I still want to keep. And I'm just going to go back and forth between those three things until I get what I want. Then I'm going to take Pool Party from the Dragon Hill Morphe palette, and I'm going to, I'm just using the Urban Decay brush that came with my Naked 3 palette, and I'm going to take that and put it all over my eyelid. I'm not getting it wet or anything. I don't want it to look foiled or anything. She didn't have that in the 70s. I'm pretty sure they didn't do that either. So I'm just going to put that on without getting it wet. I have to put it pretty high up because I have very, very hooded eyelids, so there will be transferring if I don't put it up this high, which is fine because hers all blends together anyways. Now I'm going to take Obsessed from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm going to use the other Urban Decay Naked palette brush, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid except for out here, mainly in the center right here. I'm going to take a very tiny bit of Enchanted, and I'm going to put that on my outer corner to deepen it up a bit. Ingrid isn't wearing any eyeliner, just mascara, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to tightline my eyes using the Urban Decay 24/7 Waterline pencil thing, and then I'm going to put on mascara, and I'm going to do this off camera because I cannot do it on camera. She didn't have much mascara at all, so this is the only amount that I'm going to put on. So for under the eyes, she just continues the darkness under to right here and then lightly fades away to about right here, really close to the lash line. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to take more of Enchanted and do that. Then I'm going to take more of that green from the 35B palette and I'm going to blend it out. So for her eyebrows and inner corners, she has like this very light highlight that, you know, really shouldn't be one, but whatever. And I'm going to take Milani's Bella Ivory. Which might not be white enough, but you know, I don't really have anything that's like super white with a little bit of shimmer in it. So this is what I'm using. Yeah, this is perfect. And she brought it down pretty far into the green. Alright, so this is the finished look. If you liked it, please, I hate saying this and asking you to do this, but please like and subscribe. It just makes me feel awkward, that's all. But yeah, I hope you liked it, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.